It's March the 17th around 8:15 in the night. When Farziwal returned from Bengaluru a couple of days ago, I saw that video where he sang a song in Bangalore, the Paigam Hamara song. This guy, I wrote on somebody's post, I think Sanjay Kaul's post. I wrote, he was making fun of that song too, so I wrote a reply which he found very funny. I said, I can stand this guy murdering justice. I can stand him murdering the truth, cheating the people of Delhi. They deserve it. They voted for him. They are going to see the city in ruins. But I am not going to stand for him murdering music. So I promised that I would send a musical retaliation. This song is from a movie called Izzat in 1968, a long time ago. And it was sung on the screen by none other than the great Dharmendra. And this was at the height of or rather the beginning of the worst period of Indian history, where the Nehruvian socialist madness had taken root, and we had shortages of sugar, we had shortages of everything, we had no employment, unemployment was very high, and it was very common for movies to be made in which the graduates would be walking from place to place asking for jobs. And this is a movie like that, where Dharmendra is singing against politicians. This song was made for Farziwal. This is absolutely made for Farziwal because it addresses his bhagoda nature, it addresses his two-faced, nakli chehra and asli chehra, it addresses how he promises falsehoods. This is a great song, and I wish we could take a rally out to Kejriwal's house with Dharmendra in the lead. It would be amazing if we could do that. But anyway, here's the song. It's a little long. It's about 5 minutes long, so please bear with it. But pay attention to the lyrics with my limited Hindi, what little I can communicate. But pay attention to the lyrics, and every stanza addresses one aspect of Kejriwal's treachery. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. I love these songs. Dharmendra has sung many such songs, by the way. Naya Zamana is another movie, 1971, I think, in which he was again an unemployed guy. And of course, even now Dharmendra can take on Kejriwal. If they have a wrestling match, I bet Kejriwal is going to, Dharmendra can whack Kejriwal's ass. But anyway, that's a different story. So enjoy this song, I hope.
से जिनकी फितरत छुपी रहे, नकली चेहरा सामने आए, असली सूरत छुपी रहे। क्या मिलिए ऐसे लोगों से जिनकी फितरत छुपी रहे, नकली चेहरा सामने आए, असली सूरत छुपी रहे। खुद से भी जो खुद को छुपाए, क्या उनसे पहचान करे, क्या उनके दामन से लिपटे, क्या उनका अरमान करे। खुद से भी जो खुद को छुपाए, क्या उनसे पहचान करे, क्या उनके दामन से लिपटे, क्या उनका अरमान करे। जिनकी आधी नीयत उभरे, आधी नीयत छुपी रहे, नकली चेहरा सामने आए, असली सूरत छुपी रहे। ढोंग रचा कर जाल बिछाए बातों का, जीते जी का रिश्ता कहकर सुख ढूंढे कुछ रातों का। दिलदारी का ढोंग रचा कर जाल बिछाए बातों का, जीते जी का रिश्ता कहकर सुख ढूंढे कुछ रातों का। रूह की हसरत लब पर आए, जिस्म की हसरत छुपी रहे, नकली चेहरा सामने आए, असली सूरत छुपी रहे। जिनकी जुल्म से दुखी है जनता, हर बस्ती हर गांव में, दया धर्म की बात करें वो बैठ के सजी सभाओं में। जिनकी जुल्म से दुखी है जनता, हर बस्ती हर गांव में, दया धर्म की बात करें वो बैठ के सजी सभाओं में। दान का चर्चा घर घर पहुँचे, लूट की दौलत छुपी रहे, नकली चेहरा सामने आए, असली सूरत छुपी रहे। देखें इन नकली चेहरों का कब तक जय जयकार चले, उजले कपड़ों की तह में कब तक काला संसार चले। देखें इन नकली चेहरों की कब तक जय जयकार चले, उजले कपड़ों की तह में कब तक काला संसार चले। कब तक लोगों की नजरों से छुपी हकीकत छुपी रहे, नकली चेहरा सामने आए, असली सूरत छुपी रहे। क्या मिलिए ऐसे लोगों से जिनकी फितरत छुपी रहे, नकली चेहरा सामने आए, असली सूरत छुपी रहे।